Hey guys, welcome to Sweets on a Boat, a channel about fixing, driving, and enjoying your boat in Stockholm Archipelago. Today I'm going to install one of these, two USB ports in this, and I'm going to install that so I can connect and charge all my devices when I'm out cruising on the islands. So follow me on that. Here you can see the charger. So that's a flip lid here. Two ports on each. You can close it down. It's a flush mount, so it's pretty easy to mount it. Shouldn't be any problems. So let's do it. One location is thinking about replacing this shore power outlet with the USB charger outlet instead. I think it's a good spot because it's close to the galley. You can have your charge your devices while you're making a snack, but also close to the seating area in the bow of the boat here. So let's get on with it. I'm thinking about putting the outlet here so that the cables can go down. You can have devices being on charging here behind the headrest for the sitting area, and also have cables going up to the devices you will have up here while you're working in the galley preparing the snack and so on. This is a pretty good location, and also the cable won't take up as much space on the back here. Let's do it. Okay, so now I have the cables coming here. Used to be a microwave oven in this compartment. That's why it's a little bit messier. Previous owner had some ideas there. My strategy is to have a total off-grid boat. So all shore power is more or less deleted, except the battery charger, which is useful when you're able to charge your batteries every once in a while. So now I'm going to connect the cables here. Try to fit them with some nice juice. So I'm gonna run, take some power from a cable that provides this lamp here with its power. Of truth, gonna put the power on now. That's nice glowing blue color. Light here is working as well. And what we need now is some sort of USB cable, just to see that there's some power there. So I have a little light here that I use to do the shots. Help me with some lighting. I'm gonna connect that one and start charging there. Pull it out. So I have power there. It's pretty neat. I don't know how this blue glow here will light up the cabin at night. Perhaps just nice ambient light. I don't think it's gonna disturb any good night sleep. Alright guys, I'm continuing the work with the USB chargers, and in the second location it's gonna be about here where I have access to the mid cabin. Gonna put the USB charger here because it had that blue little glow on it. I don't want that in my eyes when I'm sleeping in the mid cabin. So I'm gonna put the USB charger right here. Taking in consideration to close and open this hatch, and also there's a cushion here. So it's a tight spot, but I think it's gonna fit. So let's do it. I was talking about putting the charger down here where had some issues, with the door coming quite close to it, and also there's going to be a cushion here. So what I'm actually going to do is to move have the outlet up here instead, and you charge your devices can be up on the shelf here, which I think is a better approach. So I'm going to do that instead. Right guys, there it is, installed. Cut the power. It was dark. Put the power on. Nice blue. I can open this, connect my devices. Super happy with that. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you liked that video about the USB chargers. I'm super happy with that result. Please subscribe to my channel, press that notification so you don't miss out on any future content, and I'll catch you later.